Okay everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a TV into your bedroom. And it's really pretty simple. No special tools are required. It's just a little bit of common sense. Alright, let's get started. Hey, I'm Chuck with Lake to Lake. I'm going to try and show you how to not make mistakes that I've made in the past, how to not make some dumb decisions that can cost you lots of money. And I'm here to make sure you have a stress-free camping environment so you and your spouse have a great time. Alright, let's get started. First of all, this is a Grand Design LDE 23. And I've already installed it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it down and then I'm going to put it back up so you can see how I do it. Okay, here we go. Okay, in my case, we have a TV backer where we can fasten the TV. Now I want to figure out exactly how much space that I have that I could install this. And I know there's two ways I've seen other people do it, and I'm going to try it both ways. We're going to see which one works the best. Okay, so we're going to try and figure out how big this plate is, or this blocking, TV backer blocking that we have. Now I've seen two ways. One way is to use a magnet, because some people say they put a metal plate back behind there. Well, I'm going to bust another YouTuber's idea. There's no metal plate behind there. So plan B, so use a stud finder. That should be pretty simple. There we go. Okay, so we got, well, that's the edge of one. There's the edge of the other, this way. Okay, so we know we got a solid piece of wood right in here. In fact, it goes all the way down to mount our bracket to. We know we have a solid backer right down here that we can mount the bracket to hold up the TV. Okay, let's get to mounting the bracket. Stud finder, you just get them at any hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, anywhere. And the cheaper the better. Doesn't really make any difference. Okay, now a couple things you need to be aware of. Number one, you do not want to use... Two things you need to be aware of. Number one, this is an inside wall, so we don't want to go all the way through in one side and out the other. That would be a bad plan of attack. If it's on an outside wall, you really don't want to go all the way through, because you don't want to punch a hole in your outside wall. So you need to make sure you use the right length of screw or fastener to hold it in. In my case, you can see what I'm using is not very big. And I know it'll hold it in. I know I got 3 fastening points, and I know that'll hold the TV. I know it'll hold the TV up. So we attach the first one. In my case, I'm pretty lucky because I have a level, and I got arrows that are pointing up to make sure we put this up. So we're going to make sure it's level. And for good measure and practice, we attach the third one. Now at this point in time, I'm going to go ahead and pull this blue tape off that marked my edges, hopefully. Alright, blue tape is gone. We're going to level it up by this right here. Okay, alright, we got the bracket attached. Now we just hook up the TV to the bracket. We tighten the bolts on the back. And this is really, again, this is not a complicated install. This is just like doing it in your house. You just got to make sure you use the right size bolts, and you got to make sure you got you're running into something solid, either the backer or a stud or whatever, and that you don't use too long of fasteners. Then we just plug it in. And we're done. That's it. That's all there is to it. Well, hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. It sure would help my channel. Again, thanks for watching. Until we meet around the campfire, y'all take care now. Bye-bye.